Hi, everybody. It's Monday morning, and as promised, I am posting an announcement for you. These videos are taking a little bit longer to upload at home than they did in the office. So do keep in mind that since our class doesn't normally meet until Tuesday afternoon, sometimes it might be Tuesday before I make a post for you guys. But at the beginning of each week, I will be making an announcement for you. If you missed it on Friday, there was a post about what we needed to do more moving forward and kind of what the class layout would be. So make sure you watch that video that's posted there. One other thing that I thought might be helpful to you guys is just kind of some advice on a situation like this where you are very likely used to having your classes face-to-face instead of online. Um, Many of the teachers in my office last week were kind of in this strange kind of situation, wondering, what is life going to be like without a definite structure like what I am used to? They were thinking, how do I kind of manage everything if I don't have to be accountable to being in the same place at the same time in front of the same people every week? And so some people were worried about having a lack of structure in their life. Well, as teachers, we typically will go, I don't know, let's research it, right? What do the experts say? And I know that for students, much of the time, let's do research is not what comes to the front of your thoughts. So I thought I would share with you what we found as a very common feature in all of the articles that we were looking at. And those research articles, those sources were suggesting that it's important to maintain a sense of routine. What they are suggesting is for you to really set a schedule for yourself, just like you do have a regular schedule or routine that you do. So if you have to be in class at 8 o'clock on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, then get up at your normal time, take a shower, do something that puts a smile on your face, get your coffee, as I have done here, and you know, do the things that you would typically do. Get dressed, put your earrings on, whatever that means for you, and stick to your routine so that you can have a definite structure and can stay organized. Because as I told you guys before, organization and success are hand in hand, as far as the research says as well. So that's what I did this morning. Monday morning, I got up at my regular time, did my regular things, and then came in and signed on so that I was at work. And so as much as you can do that as possible, I encourage you to. Okay, so one other thing that might also help you is if you go to Course Tools, I have a post there on joining our class for Remind, and that is a program that I use that I can text you important announcements. So I encourage you guys to sign up for that, since you won't see me every week physically at the same time telling you make sure you do this and make sure you do that. Then this way we can still get a sense of I'm still here, you're still in class, that kind of thing. I promise that I will not abuse that privilege of texting you. I will not do that a lot every week. I might do that on a day that I post something new, or as a reminder that of a due date, something like that. I won't use it a lot, but it's nice to have in case I need to reach out. And of course, you can reach out to me through that means as well. Again, just because it's a text doesn't mean that I am going to respond immediately, because it does go through the system, and for my own personal sanity, I don't have my phone on me 24/7. But I'll get back to you very quickly if you use that, okay? So if you go to course content and our top folder there, then you will see that there are specific things for us to do. Post your speech by Wednesday, post a reply to 3 others by Friday, and then you have a self-evaluation. How do you think you did by Sunday? That's this week's uh, task list, if you will. And then if you are wondering, okay, what are the requirements since I'm doing this online now and all that kind of stuff, you can view the supplements in that folder. Okay, so again, please don't hesitate to reach out if you have questions. I will look forward to communicating with you. It'll be important that you either sign up for a remind or reply in email form to this post so that I know that you are still connected, that you're still involved in the class. If I don't hear from you by Wednesday, then I'll start making some phone calls and try to find you and make sure that you're going to finish strong. So I wish you the best, stay well, and talk to you again soon.